Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Hello, Kim Townsel here. I'm going to show you my unboxing and my first use with my Lange Le Reve flat iron. And here we go. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I did not want to pay full price for it, and you shouldn't either. Get on social media, Instagram or Facebook, and start searching for this, and you'll see a code. The code I used was REV49. So I got this for $49, not $100 and something. I also got the rose gold color. I'll show you how I go from this to this. This is hands down my favorite flat iron that I've ever owned. It's easy to use, it's comfortable, it works like a dream. Let me show you. I'm so pleased with my new Le Reve. I have a new storage place for these. Bye. It's supposed to be made of titanium. Do some research and see if you'd rather have a titanium or a ceramic plate. It depends on your hairstyle and damage, things like that. I decided I needed a titanium one. So it's supposed to soften and condition your hair with each pass. Has infrared heat strip and has negative ion therapy, which is supposed to help. Has 60-minute automatic cutoff. Titanium plates, like I said. And here's some more information on it. Let's see what it looks like. I have several products by them already. They're quite lovely. If you look in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy one of these, and also links to my other videos. So it tells you how to get straight hair, how to get curls, and how to get waves. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My other products have very long cords, which I like. Save these little things. You never know when they're going to come in handy. I actually had to use some of them to repair the wheels on my old dishwasher. Really long cord. I like that. I found this up underneath the cardboard, and I think it's just a generic thing about using their tools. Now, on the back, it talked about curling wand directions, and it talked about using a heat-resistant glove, but I don't have that, so I think this is just a generic offering here. Let's plug her in. Oh, so we hit the center button to cut it on, and it shows you how rapidly it's heating up. And this is real time. I'm not speeding the camera up any. I have thicker ones that are a little bit wider, but I decided to go with something a little bit smaller because I have some very short curly gray hair that I need to manage somehow. So we'll try this with the default first. It's pretty fast, isn't it? I like that it tells you where it is. So we're at 450. I guess this will make it go down, and that will make it go hotter. 450 seems to be the max. I'm gonna cut it down to about, I guess we'll try it at 410. I washed my hair last night and just didn't put any conditioner on in the shower. I put a little bit of this biotin leave-in conditioner on it, and then I just used a pistol blow dryer to blow dry it. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on. This is a heat treatment that you should use before you put heat on your hair. I'm going to work it through and let it dry completely before we start messing with the curling iron. I should say. I think the smaller one allows me to get a little bit closer to my scalp. And I'm probably going to need 450 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and crank it up a little bit. So far, so good. Ooh, look at that. Crazy mess. I can't really see because the camera's in the way and I can't see in the camera. Hair in my mouth. It's flat. So this is what I want to get rid of right here. These little things that stick up. Let's see if this will get a hold of them. Get a hold of them, Lord. I just came in from the barn. Okay, I have no product on my hair other than the leave-in conditioner, which is not a heavy conditioner at all. And I just sprayed a very light spraying of the heat protectant on it because I don't like using a lot of that because it kind of feels like hairspray. I'm not going anywhere. I've got school tomorrow, so if I get it kind of sort of flat tonight, I'll sleep with my hair in a bonnet, a satin bonnet. I got a video up about that too. And I'll have to touch it up and put some product on it tomorrow. But that's not bad. That's not bad for quick straightening. It didn't take me as long as it did with my products that had a wider heating element. I need to put some toner on my hair. It's been a while since I put any purple toner on there. I know that. But I like this for the first use. I could go out like that, put a little oil on the ends. I just put a little bit of this argan oil on the ends of it and kind of raked my hands through it. What do you think? Hair everywhere. Looks good to me.
Isn't this a beautiful home blowout? No, it isn't.
So I'm going to show you something cool with this. It is a flat iron. It does flatten your hair, but you can also put waves in it and you can also put curls in it. It's like so easy to use. So I'm going to start here. And I like this because it's so thin, I can get it really, really close to my scalp. So let's do kind of a wavy thing first. So you can do it like that and just make it like a slight wave, or you can do this and get that much curl out of it, which, yes, from a flat iron. It's not a curling iron. It's just super thin, and you can see that or I hope you can see that the heating part doesn't extend past this. Makes it quite easy to control. Look at that. And my hair is gray, it's very wiry, very coarse, very frizzy, and it holds these curls all day long. I don't have to put any kind of curl activator on it. Nothing, no product, nothing, and they stay in there all day long. So I like this because I don't have to have one tool for flattening, one tool for waving, and then another tool for curling. It's just whatever I wanted to do. This does it. It's the best heat styling tool that I think I've ever had. It's pretty amazing. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. And I'm just going to the gym today and thought I would film this for you, so I'm not going to try to be all fancy. The Lange Le Reve is hands down the best heat styling tool I've ever used. It is ergonomic. It's very easy to hold. It's very easy to turn and twist. It never snags on my hair. It's very easy to open and close it. It heats fast and heats evenly. It has a very long, thick cord so it doesn't get tangled. I have various heat settings that I can use. And because it's so slender, I can hold it close to my scalp, but it never burns my scalp because the heating elements are not right on the edge of the flat iron. It is awesome. I am 100% satisfied. So, I don't even know what I'm doing. Look at that. Look at the flat iron. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Okay, my hair is by no means styled. I washed my hair Sunday night and flattened it with the Le Reve flat iron. I sleep with it on top of my head in a scrunchie. And this morning, all I did was put a little bit of dry shampoo on the crown of my head, and this isn't even my favorite dry shampoo. It's just all that I have left because everything's gone. And all I did was just want to brush through the bottom part of it. So it doesn't look fabulous, but we're doing like training today at school, so I don't have to look fabulous. I just have to look presentable. And I haven't put any product on it. I can put some product on like these little flyaway hairs and like get those down, but my surprise is it's raining here. It's humid. I've taken showers and my hair is still this flat from using the flat iron. So I'm ecstatic so far. Just had to share that. Here's some reminder photos of the various things that I can do with this flat iron with my hair. I can make it straight, I can make it wavy, I can make it with a flip, I can make it have a little bit of curl, I can make it have a lot of curl. Very versatile tool. Thanks for watching my video about the Le Reve flat iron by Lange. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. Remember, if you go buy one of these, try the coupon code REVE49. I don't get anything from it, but it might get you one for $49 like I got mine. And leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and watch another video if you have time. And until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.